Hey everybody, it's Christine, and before I dive into playing with my kit from the scrap room this month, I thought I would do a quick unboxing for you and show you what's coming your way in the Flavors of the Month kit. So let's get started. First up, we've got a photo play collection that's called Best Mom Ever. Now, I have both the Flavors of the Month kit and the ephemera kit. So that means that some of this comes from the embellishment kit, like this piece specifically comes in the embellishment kit, and it is all the different cardstock ephemera. Now, this includes a bunch of frames, a bunch of words, and you can see this page kit, which does come with this sticker sheet, is really unique in colors. And this is the first page kit that I'm actually going to play with because I was really drawn to the colors in it. So first up, we've got this really pretty aqua sheet that's kind of monochromatic. And then the back side has all these quotes. Mommy, mom, 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 all these different fun little quotes. And it's in a really small size. So it's not as overwhelming as it would be if it was big. It'll still make a decent background piece, but it does give you a good overview of all the colors too. You've got like a light aqua and a darker aqua. You've got red and then a slightly lighter shade of red, yellow, a lighter yellow, and black. So just a really unique color palette for a mom collection. The second sheet is probably my favorite in all of these. And it's got these gorgeous flowers all over it with the black background, which just is a beautiful contrast. And then the back side is coordinating stripes. The last patterned paper sheet in the collection, or in this page kit, is this little one with little hearts on it. And then the back side is another one that's black with white. So as you can see, there's several of these that will make really good background papers for a scrapbook layout. Then, of course, there's also the black cardstock. She always includes coordinating cardstock. So this is the first one you're gonna, well, maybe not the first one you're gonna see me play with, because it depends on when my video debuts, but it's the first one I'm going to play with. Intend to play with it in about 10 minutes, as soon as I'm done with this video for you. The next page kit is from Jelly Bean Soup, another favorite company of mine. And this is their new Spoonful of Soul. So you can see this really pretty bike background, which I always am excited about bikes because I'm a biker. And so anytime I can get my hands on some bike themed stuff, it's fantastic. Then we've got this mint green color with white, a really nice, simple background page. Then we've got the scallops. And one thing that really stands out about this collection is you've got some really darker colors alongside the pastels. So it's a really unique combination again. You've got this pink and white, and then like a lime green and white. And then this really pretty floral page again. And this one comes with a craft color cardstock. And then with the page kit comes the following embellishments. Now, she divides up the ephemera packs, so you're going to probably get some different pieces than I have here, but this will give you an idea of some of the stuff what it looks like. So you've got words, you've got tabs, you've got different icons. Okay, so good wide variety. Yay, I got another bike. Okay, so huge variety here. And then also a sheet of this new washi embellishment, which Jelly Bean Soup just started these with, I think, their last set of collections. And these are really fun because you don't have the commitment of a whole roll of washi tape. You just have a little bit of it. And I'm finding that I really like that. Because I don't always want a whole roll. Sometimes I just want a little snippet of it. So this is really nice, a really nice add-in to this page kit. Now, also coming in the embellishment kit that coordinates with that is, let me pull these out. Sorry, I have to open it. Loud, loud, loud. Some of these enamel pieces. So you can see there's hearts as well as dots. Okay, and so that's the Jelly Bean Soup Spoonful of Soul. Next up, let's go to Simple Stories. So this is the Simple Stories Oh Happy Day page kit. And you can see, again, another really pretty color palette. This one is much brighter than the last one, but this one also has black in it as well, which I always really love black in my page kits. So I'm always excited when she has that in there. Okay, simple black polka dots. And then you've got stripes, nice and bright, and then a cut apart page, which is always a nice thing. You can see you've got a llama, you've got a rainbow, camera, coffee, so lots of fun there. And then another polka dot page. This one is a monochromatic one. And then a beautiful floral page. Definitely lots of florals in this kit, perfect for springtime. And then you've got white cardstock with this one. And then for the embellishments, we've got, looks like some enamel dots. We've got a bow. We've got some ephemera. Okay, I'll just show you a few of the pieces of ephemera. Got a feather, tag, flower there. So lots of fun. A very typical is not the right word, but this looks like Simple Stories. Okay, it's got that Simple Stories feel to it. It's got the Simple Stories colors. It's got the elements, and I always really love what I do with Simple Stories, so I'm always happy when I can dive into something from them. The final set that goes with this is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet that comes in the embellishment kit. So you can see this has got lots of options here. Very on trend. You've got the llamas, you've got the rainbows, lots of fun options there. Now the last page kit this month is the Chamel page kit. And this is Sparkle City. So we've got white cardstock, and then we've got 3 patterned papers. So again, a nice monochromatic aqua one. And then the back side has wonderful written in script font, nice and small. And then this one that kind of looks like fireworks, which would make sense for Sparkle City. And then this blue notebook paper. A really pretty purple ombre. And some cameras. Then with the kit, you get a sheet of stickers. So she divides this up, so you may get this side or you may get the opposite side, but you can see it's got some really pretty foiling on it. You can see the glare on my camera with it. Lots of cute options there. And then the embellishment kit includes, again, foil, but these are puffy thickers, okay? And these are going to be lots of fun. So 4 very different color palettes this time. Very spring feeling to all of them though. So be sure to head on over to the Scrap Room page. I'll link you up to it down below and get your hands on these kits while they're still available. We'll see you again next time.